is a real joy to welcome you today to the Templeton Prize ceremony honoring the 2012 Templeton Prize laureate, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. For today, as we celebrate the Templeton Prize and its 40 years of hopeful contribution to spiritual progress, we pay homage to His Holiness the Dalai Lama for his insights into the spiritual dimension of the human experience, and most especially for his advancement of spiritual progress as a universal reality. Thus, I now have the distinct honor of introducing to you, as if he needed an introduction, the Dalai Lama, and presenting to him the 2012 Templeton Prize.
Thank you. Symbols of happiness.
Oh, yes. Oh, right. Beautiful. Thank you. Respected spiritual leaders and also the leaders of Templeton sort of foundation, and of course, basically, human brothers, sisters. This magnificent sort of temple, historical temple, with a lot of human faces with smile. Although I cannot see each person's face, but it seems to see no face of certain angry or certain sort of say, unhappy sort of expression. So, I'm one of the human beings. From birth, we equipped human affection. So here, I think few hundred people, perhaps different nationality, different races, different faith. But that's a secondary level. The fundamental level, we are the same human being. Mentally, emotionally, physically also, we are same. No differences. No sort of say, barrier. I always feel, if we sort of say touch the fundamental level, we are the same human being. Hardly no reason to quarrel, to fight each other. But often we forget that. We consider secondary level of differences. That really causing a lot of problems. So here, the big number in sacred place with, I think, full of that human affection, human compassion. So I really enjoy. I really move. So firstly, I must thank your foundation to choose me this year's university as a receiver of that university award. So, they think where entire humanity, even animals, without question, appreciate that's wholeheartedness, irrespective whether believer or non-believer. And so, they all major tradition, in spite of different philosophy, all carry same message of love. compassion, forgiveness. So please you share your friends, and through your friends, more people, all major world religious tradition, in spite different philosophical view, all carry same message of love, forgiveness, tolerance, contentment, self-discipline.